Hello to all my friends out there. I hope everyone is doing okay. Okay, yesterday I made pasta salad and that was really great with my meat and cheese sandwich this afternoon. So I made just some potato salad, potatoes, one potato, one egg, some minced onions, mayonnaise, mustard, pickle relish, salt, and garlic salt, and pepper, and I just mix that up. And then I wanted to try this for a while, and the original recipe is you take all the skin off your chicken, and you marinate your chicken in hot sauce, and then you roll it in corn meal, and you fry it. But what I did was I had one egg and I put a lot of Tabasco sauce in the egg. I dipped my chicken. Then I used Jiffy cornbread mix, and so I don't know how it tastes. Here's one. Let me show you. So let me taste it. That is pretty good. Sometimes it's just nice to have something that's a little different. And I like this because I was able to bake it. And then I'm trying to find more stuff to make with Jiffy corn mix. Okay, you guys, there's the latest spicy chicken and potato salad. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And God bless you all.